The global payments feature enables you to remit payments to freelancers anywhere in the world, even though Stripe only lets you send payments to freelancers within its 40 countries. Find them at stripe.com/global. For these particular countries, Stripe will enable you to automate billing from customers all the way through to freelancers without any manual steps at all. The payments are taken, they're held in the name of the freelancer, and when approved by the customer, they're released to the freelancer's local bank accounts, minus any commissions you take. But Stripe doesn't function outside of these 40 countries in terms of sending payments. So while you can take payments from any country in the world, you can only send it to these 40. However, with our global payments feature, you are able to take payments yourself as a company on behalf of a freelancer. And this feature is built on top of the agency feature. So to use it, you have to also enable the agency feature. And what this does, it allows you to create your own agency as a company. In this case, we've created an agency called John Doe. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask when your freelancers are registering, it will ask them which country they're based in. If they're based in a country that is within Stripe's list, there's no impact. But if the freelancer said they're in a country outside of Stripe's list, for example, Armenia, it will automatically list them as an agency freelancer underneath your agency. And you can set that agency here. It will also ask them for their PayPal email. So the impact of this is that every time this new freelancer that we're registering now, every time the first time they are registering, they're registering underneath you as a freelancer underneath your agency. It means that they don't have to onboard with Stripe. They can start applying for projects immediately. And whenever one of their milestones has been completed and approved by a customer, the money actually comes through to your bank account as a company. And you'll receive an email saying that this particular freelancer has completed the task. Here's their PayPal email. Here's the amount that you need to send to them. And then it's up to you to manually go and send the relevant money to their PayPal email address. So you can see how this is using our agency feature in order to enable you to pay freelancers anywhere in the world. So if you are confused about how the agency feature works, review our video about how the agency feature functions. But effectively, the global payments is an additional feature that sits on top of the agencies that automates the process of helping new freelancers understand whether they should be an agency freelancer sitting underneath your agency, in order for you to automate customers paying in to those freelancers, and you will manually pay out to those freelancers. It's a bit complex, so any questions, just get in touch.